Students, we have already studied the magnetic field due to a straight conductor and also due to a circular loop. Today we will study the magnetic field due to a solenoid. A solenoid, what is a solenoid? A solenoid is a long A solenoid is a long coil in the form of a spring. When current is passed through a solenoid, this positive terminal and this negative, current will pass through this. And so on. Finally, this. It behaves like, means a solenoid behaves like a bar magnet. It behaves like a bar magnet having north pole and south pole. The polarity can be obtained by using clock face rule. Clock face rule. According to this rule, if we face the coil in any direction, any one end, if the direction of the movement flow of current is anti-clockwise, it will be north pole, and if it is clockwise, then it is south pole. Suppose here the direction of current is clockwise. Here the direction of current is clockwise, like this. Clockwise, and therefore it will be south pole, and here the direction of current is if the direction of current will be anti-clockwise, that is will be north pole, and here it will be south pole. The magnetic field lines emerge from north pole and enters into the south pole. Inside the solenoid, the direction of magnetic field is from south pole to north pole, and inside the coil, inside the solenoid, the magnetic field is homogeneous. That is, the magnetic field lines are equidistant. They are at equal distance. The distance B. If we place a soft iron core in the solenoid, its strength will become larger, more. Means it will become more strong magnet. And this is the principle of electromagnet. Now we will study the electromagnet. How the magnetic field beta or B is depend on the amount of current. That is, if more current is passed through the coil or solenoid, more strong will be the magnetic field. It is also depend on the number of turns in the coil. The number of turns in the coil. If there are more number of turns, there will be the more magnetic field, a more stronger magnetic field. Means the strength of magnetic field, that is B, depend upon the amount of current and number of turns in the coil. We can increase or decrease the strength of this magnetic field by increasing the number of turns, and can decrease by decreasing the number of turns. And we can increase the magnetic field, the strength of magnetic field, by increasing increasing the amount of current passing through the solenoid, and also we can decrease the amount of current, decrease the magnetic field by decreasing the amount of current. Amount of current by increases or decrease can be increased or decreased by increasing the number of cells, decreasing the number of cells, or by providing more resistance. This wire is copper, insulated copper wire. Copper wire.